Look at that, guys. What is up, YouTube? Today we are here at the Fox River. We are fishing with a local Fox River legend. He goes by the name of Patrick.
What's up, guys?
He kills, absolutely slays the flathead on the river, and ideally that's what we're gonna get into tonight. We got Shane here.
What up, guys?
And we are gonna just do what we can to catch whatever we can, and we will give you a bunch of updates along the way. Let's go. We got his wagon. We got our wagon.
And I keep all my junk in my trunk.
We call that flathead candy. Yeah. Awesome. We're gonna use this guy for bait, and he's not even gonna be. Oh. On to the next one. I'll throw him in the bucket for you. All right, another bluegill, guys. This is good size, or you like the bigger ones?
Yeah, bigger one.
All right, bigger bluegill than this. We're gonna show you the setup later on for the flatheads, but he uses bigger bluegill than this. We're gonna go put him in the bucket.
Like 5 or 6 bluegill.
As you can hear in the background, it's not from the 4th of July. That's crazy, those fireworks going on. So we're using this green sunfish as cut bait. Just look at that. 4 solid pieces.
Always want to make sure the scale is not on the hook. There we go. Just like that. Got one, guys.
Oh yeah, Patrick's on. What do we got? In the nets. Nice. Channel catfish. There we go with that cut bait we were using earlier. Little green sunfish. Heck yeah. Good job, dude. Patryk on Instagram. We're gonna rig up live bluegill for flathead catfish. There is some boat traffic coming by, but we'll show you the rig. Patrick's got the hook in there, so he hooks them right behind the, or right above the tail there.
Yeah.
Awesome.
About like a foot of 50-pound fluorocarbon, and then we got a 4-ounce weight.
Okay, nice. Four-ounce weight. There we go. Jeremy Wade status. There we go. So if the fish pulls, that drag is just gonna go loosely, and that's how Patrick does his setup. Live bluegill, circle hook. Let's go. Man, dude, it's gotta be a flathead. Yeah, it is. Oh my God. Oh. Yeah. Woo. Oh yeah. Guys, we're on the Fox River. Oh my God. Guys. Oh my God. Oh yeah. Okay. I see more people holding it like this. Amazing. You said you had a scale, right?
Oh yeah.
So we're gonna get the weight of this guy and we're gonna throw him right back in the water. I just caught a 20 pounder. Basically a 20 pounder, just under 20 pound catfish here. Fox River. Guys, I just caught a 20 pound flathead on 20 pound Power Pro. What an epic fight. Look at that, guys. Beautiful Fox River flathead catfish. I'm so stoked to catch this fish. It's my only fish I've caught today. And this is what we came out here for. 20 pounders all day, baby. Thanks, dude.
Good shit.
I'm eating what Patrick refers to as prison food. Ours. So I got a mouthful. Eating what Patrick would refer to as prison food as we are landing another catfish. What? We got a bass on cut bait, bro. Oh, that's a nice one. Wow. Oh my God. Solid. This is solid. Do you have pliers where we can like get them in there and cut my front off, you know? We're just fishing for catfish on the bottom. That's what I thought I had. And we got this nice largemouth bass. Beautiful fish. Gonna take him and go release him. Nice fish, man.
Nice.
Yeah. Smells like fish. Oh, you got.
Oh, that one is for the catfish.
There you go.
Yeah.
Use the little ones for the big ones.
Yeah, the big little one.
There you go.
Just bring the middle.
Hell yeah, man.
I'm trying. What's on the blow is like.
There we go. Just using cut bluegill on the bottom. Seems to be the deal today. Just get me home and let's just... Isn't it fun? All right, guys, that's gonna do it for us right now. It is just under 8 a.m. and we are gonna head out. Had a great night out there. Patrick, have anything to say, buddy?
Nothing. I'm just tired after a long night.
Yeah, we're all a little tired,
Yes,
but
tired.
pumped up and ready to go. Shane, good night?
Yes, it was a great night.
Yeah, it was still a fun night. Caught some fish, had a great night, and we'll see you guys very soon. Be sure to subscribe, snag that like button, and don't forget to watch us every Friday.